and y are the cost prices, equals to profit. Now what is given? It's rupees 7 in this case 1. So solve this now. 0.95 minus 1, right? Minus 0.05x plus 0.15y equals to 7, right? After solving this. Okay. So multiply by 100 everything. So 5x minus 5x plus 15y equals to 700. Equation number 1. Similarly, condition 2 now. 5% profit T set and 10% profit that lemon set. So 1.05x plus 1.10y equals to total selling price under condition 2. So again same logic. So SP minus CP equals to profit. So 1.05x plus 1.10y minus x plus y equals to 13. It's given. He gains 13. So total profit is 13. Solve again. So 0.05x plus 0.1y equals to 13. Multiply by 100. 5x plus 10y equals to 1300. Equation number 2. Now you can see 5x is common and plus minus sign. So do 1 plus 2. It becomes 15 plus 10 25y equals to 1300 plus 700 2000. So y equals to divided, you get 80. Substitute in 1 or 2 anyone. I have done it in 2. So 5x plus 10 into 80 equals to 1300. So 800 here, I take on this side. So 5x equals to 500, x equals to 100. So cost of one tea set is 100 and lemon set is 80. Okay. Simple problem, just practice is required. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.